Another Asian W. Fantastic stream today. I appreciate all of you guys who tuned in. We cooled the markets very, very well. Price came into a really nice head and shoulders formation with no bottom wick on the daily time frame. So as soon as we got the opportunity, we were shorting into that. Price ended up dropping like over 60 points, which is fantastic for the Asian session. We sat in literally zero drawdown, so there is a ton of value in today's stream. We go live every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This week we've had bangers in all of the Asian sessions, so it's been amazing to be able to share this with you guys live. So if you do enjoy today's recap, remember like, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next streams. Trading here on the Topstep account. Today I'm probably going to be trading between anywhere from 4 to 6 contracts on gold to take gold back down into 1900. So yesterday's flip bearish, we broke in this support. Today's currently retesting with no bottom wick on this daily. So I'm pretty much looking for this daily to create a bottom wick and have a nice drive to fill in yesterday's wick. On the hourly, we've liquidated this previous double top. We've grabbed that double top in towards the PM session in the US yesterday. How are you able to stay patient? This is my biggest issue. Maverick, less is more, man. Less is more in this game. More trades doesn't mean more money. You know, I probably average 1 to 2, sometimes 3 trades a day. Like on Tuesday, I had 4 trades. Some days I could have none. I used to worry about patience a lot, but now I've got my trading plan to a point of either my trade's there or it's not. So patience doesn't really come into it. You know, if my trade's not setting up, it's not following my plan, then there's simply no trade. Last month, we ended up making more money with less trades. We're now around that original left shoulder, head, right shoulder formation that we were talking about when we were trading all the way down here. Oh, look at that 15's just flipped incredibly bearish there. Look at that. That 15 has just changed everything. So see, now that 15 has flipped incredibly bearish, breaking back below this level. So now that we've got that closure back below this level, now you can look for that play back down. So now you've got a potential fake out of that resistance. That overall head and shoulders formation that we were watching is now playing out. It's shorting down into that daily bottom wick. So yeah, it's huge. This daily flip on gold could be huge. Maybe this 15 can have this flip bearish and continuation. Stops would have to be above here. Entry would be on the break of the low. Let's see, if we start to show signs that this 5 minute could flip bearish, I'm gonna look to put this order in. I'm gonna have a sell stop in below this current low to see if this current 5 can flip bearish. If this current 5 doesn't flip bearish, like I say, we'll cancel again. But I wanna see if we're gonna get a nice drive and nice momentum. Let me cancel that. I didn't get tagged in there. Let me just see how this 5 is gonna open. If anyone did get tagged in, you probably get a nice entry. I didn't get tagged in, so I've just pulled it out. I'm gonna see if we can get a quick top wick first. Yeah, I'm putting it back in now on the current break of this 5 minute low. I want to see this 15 give us a nice bearish continuation of this. Contract size on gold to work out stop loss. Is it 100? It's $10 per tick move. So if gold moves 10 pips, one contract, $100. There you go, cool, yeah, cool. I'm tagged in that gold short now. My stop loss is going to be above, not the previous 5, but this 5 up here. All right, nice 5 minute closure there as well on gold. A nice little push back down. All right, we get a nice push now. Yeah, see this is the last 5 of this 15 in hourly, so we want this 5 to give us a nice strong push and have that continuation back down. This current 5 has no top wick, which is a little bit skeptical. I would have liked to have seen this pull up first before flipping bearish. Sitting up like $280 on this position, 4 contracts short on this. Although we've only hit 10 pips, that's irrelevant. We're tapping into this level where we could bounce off. So for me personally, I'm just going to start to bring down my stop loss to above the current previous high. But if this 5 minute candle does start to flip bullish, I will manually close. We get a nice 5 minute push here. We're going to get a pretty nice, wrong chart, pretty nice 15 minute closure here. As long as this 15 closes below this level. Because this 15 is closing bearish, this next 15 could still push up and retest these levels before flipping lower. So that's why I'm kind of managing aggressively, because I don't want to go sit in drawdown. My stop loss is above this current 5 minute high. If this 5 minute high flips bullish, I don't want to be in this trade. Yeah, 15's closed. So 15's closed back below our level, but it is still trading around this support. So we could easily see this come back up, retest these levels before having a drive lower. So it doesn't make sense for me to leave my risk open. I got to take risk off the table because I don't want to go sit and drawdown. And because we're creating an instant bottom wick here, I'm actually going to bring my stop loss to this current 5 minute high. I'm trading aggressively because the 15's at such a big level. Come on, Goldie, break that low. All right, there we go. Aggressive stop. Because I just kind of want to be done with the session, to be honest. I'm locking in like about 10 pips on this trade. Yeah, so I haven't closed this. I just have my stop loss here. I'm sitting up around $440 in this play. I'm bringing stop loss down a little bit now. Close full. All right, amazing. I'm out of that trade now. So I'm out of that trade for plus $440. If anyone wants to close some partials, just close partials, like close 90%, hold the rest at break even, but I'm personally fully out of that trade now. A very quick play, zero drawdown. We've called the markets amazing in this Asian range. So price has been raging in the Asian session and we've managed to catch some very, very nice moves. But if anyone is in this, yeah, I would personally just, you know, stops to break even. Hold some runners. If you're going to hold runners down into that daily flip, which is all the way down there. So hold runners down into that daily bottom wick, which still needs to be created.